Alright, so in today's lesson we're going to be using our calculators to graph relations and functions. So we want to graph y equals half x minus 3, determine the domain and range, and then tell if it's a function. So we want to go to our calculator, we want B for graph, tab will bring up this if it's not already there. And then we're just going to put it in. So control, divide, and you can put the half in. Then we want x minus 3, enter. Get the ordered pairs, control T, and we get our ordered pairs. I want to use all whole number ordered pairs. So it looks like 0, negative 3, 2, negative 2, so 0, negative 3, 2, negative 2, and if I look at this correctly, 4, negative 1 would also probably work. You could check it just to make sure, but I'm sure that's one that will work. Alright, so now we're going to plot these ordered pairs. So 0, negative 3, 2, negative 2, and 4, negative 1. Then you want to just connect that with a smooth line. And of course, because this is going on forever in both directions, we are going to add arrowheads. So domain. So like we said, that's going to go on forever in both directions. On forever right, on forever left. So we call that all real. So as I was saying, it's all real numbers. Alright? We also say that that's going from negative infinity to positive infinity. So range, going forever down, forever up. So again, that's all real numbers. And as far as a function, yes, it is a function. Alright, so now we're going to graph y equals x squared plus 1, determine the domain and range and tell whether it is a function. So back to our calculator, control T to get rid of that graph, delete, tab, and it's x squared plus 1. So that's what we want it to look like. Control T. Due to the fact that there is a negative side to this, I am going to also use some negatives. So negative 1, 2, 0, 1, and 1, 2 look like a pretty good trio. So come back over here, x, y, so negative 1, 2, 0, 1, and 1, 2. So negative 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2. And we're going to graph that. So again, going forever left, forever right. So my domain, again, is all real numbers. Now the range is different because this is only going up, and it's going up from 1. So that means it's going to be y is greater than or equal to 1, which if you think about interval notation means 1, comma, positive infinity, right? Alright, so this is part 2. You can go ahead and complete the part 2 problem set and then watch part 3.